This tiny silver box claims to be the ultimate solution for keeping your road trip snacks frozen and your winter coffee piping hot, all without draining your car battery. That sounds like magic, but we need to see if this 6L mini refrigerator actually delivers on its promise of advanced cooling technology. The first thing you notice is the size. At 6 liters, it's compact enough, about 10 by 9 inches, to fit almost anywhere, whether that's the office, a dorm, or tucked between the seats in your car. The real genius is the power flexibility. It runs off a standard household socket, USB, or the car's 12-volt or 24-volt cigarette lighter. For anyone worried about being stranded, they've included a low-voltage protection feature. If your car battery dips below 11.5 volts, it cuts power automatically. That's a huge relief for long-haul drivers who rely on their vehicle starting every time. Now for the performance. This is a thermoelectric unit, meaning it uses semiconductor technology, and it's incredibly energy efficient, usually drawing less than 30 watts. It boasts the ability to cool down to 2 degrees Celsius and heat up to a surprising 65 degrees Celsius. The transition time is quick, too. It can hit those extremes within about 30 minutes. This dual-mode capability is fantastic for scenarios like camping in extreme temperatures, or even just keeping baby milk warm overnight by the bedside. It's also perfect for storing sensitive items like cosmetics and medications that need stable temperatures. A major selling point is the silence. Semiconductor coolers are inherently quiet, and this one is rated below 25 dB. That's quieter than a soft whisper. If you're sleeping in the back of the car on a long drive, this won't bother you at all. The build quality, made from ABS material, feels sturdy, and they specifically mention anti-vibration and anti-leakage technology, which is crucial when you hit those bumpy back roads. While 6 liters won't hold a week's worth of groceries, it's the perfect size for drinks, lunch, or specialized items. It's an energy-efficient, versatile companion. If you need true freezing power, you'll need a larger, more expensive compressor model. But for reliable cooling and heating on the go, especially given the silent operation and power protection, this silver 6L mini refrigerator is an essential piece of travel gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.